Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn German with Yogeeta. So in today's video we are going to do very important topic of our A2, that is Damit, Umsu. Damit, Umsu. So the literal translation of Damit is so that. So that. It is used to express the purpose, goal or intentions. It is used to express the purpose, goal or intentions. And when we use damit, it forms Nebensätze. Nebensätze. The verb is at the end. So similarly with umsu, the literal translation of umsu is in order to. In order to. We use umsu to express purpose, goal and intentions. Purpose, goal or intentions. And like damit, it also make Nebensätze. Nebensätze, verb at the end. So as we can see, there are lot of similarity between damit and umsu. So let's see where we can use damit and where we can use umsu. So let's see. So here I want to say ich mache eine Party. Ich mache eine Party. Ich treffe meine Freunde. Ich mache eine Party. Ich treffe meine Freunde. So here you can see in the both sentences the subject, Subjekt is same. Subject is same. Ich mache eine Party. Ich treffe meine Freunde. So how can we write now? Ich mache eine Party. Ich mache eine Party. So here we are using damit. Ich mache eine Party, damit ich meine Freunde treffe. Ich mache eine Party, damit ich meine Freunde treffe. And here, when we have same subject, we can also use umsu. Umsu. So, in that case, the sentence should be like ich mache eine Party. Ich mache eine Party, meine Freunde zu treffen. Meine Freunde zu treffen. So, here I was saying I am doing a party in order to meet my friends. In order to meet my friends. But in that case, I am saying I am doing a party so that I meet my friends. Here in umsu sentences, you have to take care that in this case, when we put verb at the end position, we don't need to conjugate our verb. We don't need to conjugate our verb. It should be in infinitive form without conjugation. Ich mache eine Party, meine Freunde zu treffen. Now, what else we can do here? We can also start our sentence with damit and umsu. We can also start our sentence with damit and umsu. Then, in that case, the sentence should be like Damit ich meine Freunde treffe. Damit ich meine Freunde treffe, mache ich Party. Damit ich meine Freunde treffe, mache ich Party. So, when you are starting the sentence with damit, you have to take care verb should be at the end and again we write verb. We will not write damit ich meine Freunde treffe. Ich mache Party. Ich mache Party. So this will be wrong. So after comma we put verb. Mache ich Party. So and similarly we can also start our sentence with umzu. So in that case the sentence is like meine Freunde zu treffen. Meine Freunde zu treffen, mache ich eine Party. Mache ich eine Party. So, meine Freunde zu treffen, mache ich eine Party. Again, verb after comma. Verb is after comma. So, if you write like, meine Freunde zu treffen, ich mache eine Party, it will be wrong. So, after comma, you have to put verb. Otherwise, the sentence will be wrong. Now, we are going to see one more example. So, let's see. So, here, my second example. Lernt Deutsch. Lernt Deutsch. Fährt nach Deutschland. Lernt Deutsch. Fährt nach Deutschland. So again in the both sentences subject is same. Lernt Deutsch. Fährt nach Deutschland. So here we can use damit as well as umzu. Then in that case our sentence is like lernt Deutsch, damit nach Deutschland fährt. Lernt Deutsch, damit nach Deutschland fährt. So he learns German so that he go to Germany. And as I said, the subject is same in both the sentences. So we can also hear umzu. Lernt Deutsch. Lernt Deutsch, nach Deutschland zu fahren. Nach Deutschland zu fahren. So here zu nach Deutschland zu fahren. Verb at the end without conjugation. So he is learning German in order to go to Germany. He is learning German in order to go to Germany. So again I am repeating, when we have same subject or we talk about the same subject in both the sentences, we can use both damit and umzu. But in some conditions we can only use damit, or I can say we cannot use umzu. So now we are going to see some sentences in which we cannot use umzu. So let's see some examples here. Here I am going to write very easy sentences. So ich arbeite viel. Ich arbeite viel. Meine Familie ist glücklich. Ich arbeite viel. Meine Familie ist glücklich. So, I am saying I am working a lot. Yeah, I am working a lot and my family is happy. So, ich arbeite viel. Meine Familie ist glücklich. So, if you see here in the first sentence, the subject is ich. And in the second sentence, the subject is meine Familie. Meine Familie. So in both the sentences, the subject is different. Subject is different. So when we have two different subjects in both sentences, we will not use su. We will not use su. We use only damit. Damit. So then in that case the sentence is like Ich arbeite viel, damit meine Familie glücklich ist. Glücklich ist. So ich arbeite viel, damit meine Familie glücklich ist. So I work a lot, or I am working a lot so that my family is happy. So ich arbeite viel, damit meine Familie glücklich ist. Very important not to use su here, because both the subjects are different. Now we are going to see one more example. So let's see. So here I am saying kocht gut. Kocht gut. Seine Kunden sind glücklich. Kocht gut. Seine Kunden sind glücklich. So he cooks good. His customers are happy. He cooks good. His customers are happy. So again we have two different subjects here. Seine Kunden. So here again we have to use damit. So kocht gut. Kocht gut, damit seine Kunden glücklich sind. Kocht gut, damit seine Kunden glücklich sind. So he cooks good so that his customers are happy. So here in nutshell what we are learning. So when we have same subjects in both the sentences, in sentence number 1, sentence number 2, when we have same subjects, so we can use damit as well as su, both. But when we have two different subjects, for example this, seine Kunden, then we have to use damit. Here the application of su is wrong. So great. Now I believe this topic damit and su is now little bit clear to you. If yes, then give me a thumbs up. Do write some sentences in the comment section below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Auf Wiedersehen.